Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola Edge 5G Ultra Wideband smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. So the Motorola Edge 5G is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It got released, I think, on the 14th of October as well. So the same day as when Verizon Postpaid got there. So yeah, so I've already done this video on this one about the Moto Edge 5G for Verizon Postpaid, but now I'm gonna do it for Verizon Prepaid here. So there's the phone right there, very nice looking phone. It's available in Nebula Blue there, 2 storage options, 128 gigs for $549.99, or 256 gigs for $599.99, which is a great deal in my opinion. So this is what the phone looks like here. So you guys have the front and back there. You guys have 3 cameras on the back, along with your camera flash, fingerprint. Your logo on the back. Power bank is on the right side of the phone there, and you do have a fingerprint sensor. That is your power button. So do keep it in mind. And yeah, so let's go ahead and check out more pictures on the phone here. There's the front of the phone. You do get your whole punch front facing camera there. Power and bank keys on the right side of the phone. SIM card, and micro SD card slot is on the left. I do like that wallpaper. Very nice looking wallpaper. Like I said, power and bank keys on the right side of the phone. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button. There's the right side there. Camera does stick out there just a bit down the back. There's the back of it there. Very nice looking phone. I don't like the blue color. I just don't like it. So it has like a glossy back to it, so it's gonna be a bit reflective. So yeah, I don't know what the hell this is. It's probably a noise cancellation microphone, I guess. I don't know what this is right here. Left side. Right here has your micro SD card and some card slot. Yeah. It looks like the left side don't have nothing on it though. There's the top of the phone. There's nothing on top of it. Bottom of the phone is your charging port. So yeah, your micro SD card and some card slot is on the left. So it has a 108 megapixel ultra wide, ultra high resolution camera system, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle with macro vision, 2 megapixel depth camera. So pretty cool. That's all on the rear. Up to 2 days of usage time, up to 19 days of standby time, 2.97 inches in width, 6.65 inches in height there. So it says here, meet the Motorola Edge 5G, a device that takes the latest smartphone experiences to another level. It features an advanced 108 megapixel camera system, so you can capture stunning ultra high resolution photos and record ultra high definition videos in 4K. Bring it all to life on the 6.8-inch display with an incredibly fast 144 Hz refresh rate. Connect your phone to the big screen with ready to play games, make video calls, and use your favorite apps. So that's a pretty cool feature. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G Ultra Wideband. So it's pretty cool there. So it said take ultra high res photos, capture sharp low light images with an advanced 108 megapixel camera that features ultra pixel technology and a 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera. The 119-degree ultra wide angle lens captures the same field of view that your eye sees, fitting 4 times more of the scene in your frame compared to a standard lens. Built-in macro vision brings you 5 times closer to your subject, so you can see even the finest of details. And dual capture and audio zoom makes it feel like you have your own recording crew. So it's pretty cool there. Larger than life. Enjoy streaming shows, playing games, and taking video calls on a 6.8-inch Max Vision at Full HD Plus display. View everything in vivid, true-to-life colors with improved brightness and contrast thanks to HDR10, and watch without any lag thanks to the insanely fast 144Hz refresh rate, and it's 60% faster than the first generation Motorola Edge and Edge Plus. Plus the refresh rate automatically adjusts based on the type of content on the screen, so that is pretty cool. So it does have adaptive refresh rate, so that will help you save a little bit better life there depending on what you're doing on your phone at that time. Enjoy Motorola Ready for Amplified experience. Ready for amplifies everything your phone is capable of. Just connect wirelessly and you're ready to go. Move your phone games to the big screen and feel like you're right in the room during video calls. With Ready for PC, you can access your phone apps and files on It says with Ready for PC, you can access your phone apps and files all on your PC and can even move files back and forth between your devices, sharing as a snap. Battery power whenever you need it. Stay out longer on a single charge. The long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery packs plenty of juice to last up to 2 days. Turbo power, 30-watt charging, fills up 9 hours of power in just 10 minutes, so you can get a boost when you need it most. Built for speed. Enjoy a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor with faster graphics processing and AI performance. Never run out of room with tons of memory, and connect with 5G for super fast downloading and streaming without interruptions. Hands-free access with just your voice. Use a voice assistant such as Alexa to check the weather, make calls, play your favorite music, or stay on top of the latest news. You can also control your compatible smart home devices right from your Motorola Edge 5G. Verizon Adaptive Sound for premium audio. Enjoy superior audio quality with an expanded sound stage, added clarity, crispness, rich trebles, and deeper basses. Verizon Adaptive Sound works with music, movies, games, and multimedia voice tracks. Also features a user-friendly, customizable interface with custom profiles. So that's really nice. The specs on the sign are really good. Y'all guys have Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot, Wi-Fi 6 either. This is our ratings. It is a gold device which you can use in over 200 countries. Global roaming network there, 4G of course, 5G ultra wideband, 5G nationwide, video 4K ultra HD at 30 frames, Full HD videos at 60 and 30 frames per second. Rear camera 1.8 megapixel ultra high res camera system, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle with macro vision, 2 megapixel depth sensor. Front camera is a 32 megapixel high-res selfie camera with quad pixel technology. Fast charging, supports up to 30 watt turbo power charging, 5,000 mAh battery, 2 days of usage time, 19 days of standby time. The screen type is an LCD Full HD Plus, 20.5 by 9, 144 Hz refresh rate. It has bottom ported speakers, Qualcomm Snapdragon sound on there. Verizon adaptive sound, there's your hearing aids there, voice assistant, Google Assistant, and of course Amazon Alexa supported as well. Hotspot, security, side mounted fingerprint reader, which is your power button for your fingerprint sensor. You also have face unlock and Think Shield for mobile as well, so that's pretty interesting. Bluetooth 5.2, Qualcomm Snapdragon 778. Mobile platform, Adreno 642 GPU there, Android 11 on board, which is nice, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage. The depth is 0.35 inches, the height is 6.65 inches, the width is 2.97 inches. It has a USB Type-C charging port. The Moto Edge 5G weighs 7.11 ounces. It's available in Enabler Blue there. Screen size 6.8 inches, Full HD Plus, Max Vision display. So pretty nice there. So if you guys need help with your phone, Verizon has you covered with that here. So it says here Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys need help. So what comes in the box is your Motorola Edge 5G prepaid smartphone, USB-C cable, SIM tool, and pre-installed SIM card. Verizon guys like your terms and conditions and stuff like that. It doesn't look like it comes with a charging brick, so it's pretty interesting. But I'm not surprised because a lot of phones are doing that now, where they're not coming with charging bricks now. So you guys have to have your own. So yeah. So, there you guys have it. The Motorola Edge 5G is now here on Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $549.99, 128 gigs, or $599.99, 256 gigabytes of storage. New contracts, of course. This one is available on prepaid and postpaid. So, whatever route you go is totally up to you. Yeah, there you guys have it. The Motorola Edge 5G is now here on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.